Hello and welcome to this Docker desktop Laravel installation tutorial. The only prerequisite is that you have WSL2 installed on your Windows system, as that is what we are going to use for Docker desktop. So we will head over to the Docker desktop website and we will download the installation file for Docker desktop for Windows. Once the file has downloaded, we will go ahead and install it on our system and make sure that the WSL2 checkbox is checked during the installation process. Docker desktop applications are much easier to configure and much more scalable than if we were to use XAMPP or WAMP in a Windows environment. These applications are containerized and can easily be moved to staging or production environments, and the containers are easy to update and reconfigure as needed. So once Docker Desktop is installed, we can go ahead and check our settings within Docker Desktop. And we're just going to go to the General tab and make sure that WSL2 is checked off in our general settings. And once we're happy with that, we can proceed to our command prompt, run the command prompt as administrator. I have a subdirectory called code in my users directory that I am using for my projects. So we're going to initialize WSL here by typing WSL at the command prompt. And then we will install the Laravel containers using this command. And I am going to call my project lara1-app. So this installation does take several minutes. Once it's finished, we can start our Laravel containers using the command /vendor bin sale --up. And if you don't want your command prompt to be used up at that point, you can also use the detach flag -d, which will leave your command prompt free. Once started, you can then browse to localhost to view your new Laravel application. Go into Docker Desktop once it's started, check out your containers, and you can stop and then restart the containers from within Docker Desktop. And that will also free up your command prompt. So we're going to go back to the command prompt and we're going to start Visual Studio Code by typing code --period at the command prompt. And this will open Visual Studio Code with our application already loaded and ready for editing. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.